It's daylight savings time. Time to swap out the batteries. Take these things down. Oh boy. We're going to change the batteries. Okay, so right here I have the first floor installed SM500V. I'm going to do a battery replacement and then run a test. So, stick with the old batteries. Doing this with one hand, so. Okay. Drain out the power. Hold it down for a few seconds. Alright, assuming it's good. Time to put the new batteries back in. It's probably gonna scare the daylights out of my dog. Alright.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm. Child bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright. Time to test. This is gonna do 5 rounds of code 3. Alright. Testing now!
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in child's bedroom. Evacuate.
Looks like we're good. Alright, that's 1 down. Got a few more to go. Okay, so I was playing around with this one last time. So, all I really need to do is just push the test button because this one's tenure sealed. I don't need to change out the battery, so we're just gonna run a test. Alright. This one's good. I stopped cleaning out the sensor, but I'm gonna do that another time. Okay, this one's gonna be a bit of a problem because it's in the corner, which is a little bit annoying, but this one is an SA511. Take out the batteries. Gonna have to do this one-handed. Alright, I'll make a proper battery testing video. Again, hold down the test button. Assuming it's good. Just also check the dates, which these are pretty new, so can't focus on it, whatever. It's made in 23. These are new detectors. Just installed these last year. Alright, put these off to the side before I place the batteries. Let me just close the door.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm. Child bedroom location programmed. To change location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
That one's annoying, but yeah. I can place it right there, but I'll do that another time. Anyways, test.
Testing.
Alright. Test 3. This one takes a second. Yes, I know it's set up to code. I'm probably gonna move it sometime.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in child's bedroom. Evacuate.
And we're good. That's another one down. Now let's go to the hashtag Kidde KN-COSM-BA in the first floor. As for this one's not ready yet. This one's next. Okay, got this Kidde. Open the battery door. Made a video on how to do this. Drain the battery. Should be fine. Oops, put it in the wrong way. Oop.
Push test button.
That's why I'm getting rid of these. These battery connectors are not good. Sorry.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Oh, what the?
Push test button.
That's not good. Got a bad battery connection. So this one might have to go. Here's the interesting thing about down here. I was gonna put a first floor right here, but I don't know if dust interference, because this basement's pretty dusty, so I just kept the ionization down here. So let's change out the batteries. I'm not gonna take this one down, but yeah. I need to smoke NCO down here because this is literally right next to the boiler, so
Push test button.
I'll let this one test. My hand hurts.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And as you can hear, the PAs are starting to die out. You can tell the Kidde quality is starting to go downhill with these. And then this one, I'll just test.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Okay, this one's fine. I think that's all of them. As for the one that used to be right there, I have to probably reinstall it, but it broke. And as you can tell, here's my room. And that one's not real, that one's just up for show. Anyways, that was a full house or mostly battery replacement video. And some 10-year, yeah, it seems like I got some work to do with some of the kiddos, so I'll probably get those replaced in the time being. So I'll probably make a video on that. Bye.